Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's been
a year.
Yeah, a year. It's been a year.
A year and probably a half.
How have you guys been? It's just, a quick year and, just, yeah, we kind of didn't do anything for a year. That was probably like one of the longest breaks we've ever had. So we're now sophomores in high school. We last supposed to be freshmen in high school.
Yeah, in third quarter, so we're almost juniors.
Yeah. Time kind of flies when you don't upload for a year. But today, as you can probably tell, we're gonna be doing some OMEGLE, which is a site that has haunted us for many years.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna be just doing it like regular OMEGLE because that would just be boring. So we have a little twist. We'll be using these heads to do it, and yeah, I don't know how good the audio is with my head on, so I'm gonna take that off for now. But you're gonna be doing OMEGLE, which is these heads on, just staring at people, just staring straight into their souls, and let's just see what kind of reactions we can get. We done this before with different heads. We didn't like record and post it, but we did get some interesting reactions then, and probably get some more interesting reactions now. So, enough talking, enough of an intro. Let's just get right to it.
No!
Yeah,
It's a furry! It's a furry!
No, Blake, put it on so it's like...
It kind of looks like the KKK mask.
It does.
Here, people in the mask.
Oh my god! Snap.
I'm not Bell. What the hell?
Bill, look at this. Look at this. Come here.
What the hell? That's so scary.
What the fuck?
That's what I'm saying.
Are they furries?
Are y'all furries?
Well, that's not really. Wait, what is it?
Oh, they're getting closer.
That's freaking weird.
Y'all need prayer?
We can pray for you.
No! Bro, that's great. Bro. I like the bear and the praying mantis, bro. That's hard. It's a fucking wolf, dog. It's a werewolf. That's a bear. It gotta be a bear, right? It's a werewolf. Oh, that. Yeah, that's a bear foot.
It's a fucking werewolf. That's Jacob, dog.
It's Twilight. It's a bear foot. Oh, that is a wolf.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Jit tripping. The fuck isn't it skipping?
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
That is so hot. Go bear! Go bear! Whoa. That got a little bit...
That got a little bit wicked.
Oh, shit. Oh. No, that's a whole, like... Take off the masks!
Take them off.
Take off the masks and I'll give you a kiss.
Heidi.
Oh, it's a whole woman.
If you were to look. Oh! They're fighting. It's Wolfgang versus Wicked Gang. Oh, Lord.
Hey!
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting!
Say stop it.
Stop it!
Pretend like you're dead now.
Stop fighting.
them hands up. Yeah. Again? What is going on? Oh my god, they're getting dragged again, Val. What is going on? Oh my god, it's choking it. It's gonna die. R.I.P. Good night.
What is this? What? Ew. What am I on? Like, what am I? Oh my god. Honestly, Omegle is such a weird app. Hello. I agree.
White power. Okay, chill. This serious, not the frog. Oh wait, no, that's not a fucking frog. That's a praying mantis.
Hello. What's I got going on? Yeah, get him. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, I think the mantis could beat the wolf on some cool shit. What they got going on? What the fuck? How the fuck you switch so damn quick? How the fuck? Yo, how the fuck she switch so goddamn quick? Yo, she coming. Oh, yo, you. We on top. I got $1 for you. Oh yeah, we on top. Yeah, we on top. We on top. We on top. She look funny in that cap, bro. I didn't go cap. Oh my gosh, let me pick my dollars back up. Beat her up. Beat her up. I got 30 on her.
Damn it. Fuck yeah. Someone please, I will PayPal you right now if someone just full sends a punch. Please, I will PayPal anyone whoever just sends a fucking full power to the other person. I'm talking straight right hook.